Så بدقر ويدكثن أثويمش ده ين أن طربت دولمة آتي زريخك ما
خا يديشا
قلت لي ويافنا زودة
زادت بتوقع يشتري في يومين جود
هنا ما خلت تعمل ايه أثد بردني طرفه هنا problem is رابع سوراي أثي أو بارك بخزيلة هنا باني
هنا برشمي دخيل كوخمان يعني pressure لا شغالة من pressure in the side except in يعني just ناشا انتخ منا instead of كل يقرم التويلة خدشا شغالت من دو يقرم تم خشكلا اياها اي دكتات هذا الطياب عن خشكلا قرشخ والغضب هاد خبشات الله وقيسو صاب زيد اخي فيش لي بارتد مية ايه هاد خشكلا قرشخ والغضب
ونقراشة فيديو
صاب لك هون فيش بارتد مية هاد ايه
اوكي خزخ بالكي ما سخو دخله
ايه هاد خبشت لي قيسو
اوكي got it I could have done a panoramic one.
Didn't you try that scenic glove roll?
Not from here.
Should be more like scenic busy, Howard.
To school. Peligro. Okay. It's pretty nice on this side. Thought it was like a county building. Or the county one was down there more. Which one was this one?
Title company.
Title, oh, okay.
Public, I think.
ما ادري اذا بيشتغل اي ان treadmill. This is a good 3-4 miles Belki Woodland. هلا قد ما تخلط نابل. A good while, maybe 25 minutes.
There's some dudes on spy in that other direction. Yep. Want to split a bargee?
No, أنا خليها already, the whole builders. If you just save it. I got a banana if you want that.
No, I'll just hold on to it.
I'll eat a little. I wanted to try that one.
Okay.
I never seen that.
Now we're on the way back.
Whatever you want. I'm just saying. I just want to try it.
Yeah.
Is that like a new
These
brand?
They have a lot less sugars in the builders, and they're the same protein.
How do they taste?
I'll let you be the judge.
Not bad?
I like them, yeah. Depends where you find them. There are several districts in Atlanta. A little slick here because it's mowed.
Yeah, what do you think? Somebody just came up here with a weed whacker?
Somebody from the city when we do that, yeah. I think it's with a weed whacker, yeah. Because the terrain is too rough to...
Probably they brought in the prison guys.
So it'd be a liability. They'd want a place that would carry insurance.
Oh yeah, they probably don't want to give those guys power tools. Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. I was trying to think what county employee is going to want to do all of this.
No, this thing would
They'll send the rookie, the new guy that's on probation. I kind of like this side better than the other side.
Yeah.
It's more of a private, it's less people. It's kind of a jungle side.
There's a little more shade over there, but it's not bad over here either.
No, it's not bad at all. This is a bunch of bamboo. داخل لك أسخ ده. هيورا.
البابا قيس البامبو يعني. يدت همين الاسن حكمة كمبانية أو دي بايسيكل فريم دي من دوا بامبو.
It's probably super light.
Yeah, it's دعوة قشنوها إنا اللي كان يطلع جيمس تاون.
You might find some bottles and cans.
Should ask him for credit cards.
See you in Jiren.
We should whiz upstream of him.
Huh?
We should whiz upstream of him. أنا مرة أقول إعلانه روت ديهن أولي جرو تمشي إياها. No خطيرة ويدير عنك سبيكوخ وتحت ويدير shapes. Turd. Mare wa Hamindani Pokanwa they go to it's parking on the other side. Oh, Frisbee Golf's got another.
Oh yeah, this is the back nine. Seems like it's free too.
Frisbee Golf usually is. Every park I've ever seen.
Really? يمنخ شان وش طلع خرط أواجش رقصاين مخ يا أنت شو رخله باك.
Zaten şabeke lakha kaçın tarafı voleybol var ha?
That's what Mom wants to do one day. We can look into setting up that net.
Play volleyball?
Yeah. I would love to do that.
Yeah, that's cool. You do that. There's that park by their house right across the street.
Gotta find a way to put up a couple of poles.
Got
Got the net.
Yeah. Garage.
Yeah, Matt came and Danya came. There'll be 4 of us for sure.
If Dad and Mom played a little bit, 3-on-3, we could play a little bit.
Yeah.
Do that. Als ik 4K de come out dacht je palta.
It should be beautiful.
Should be nice, yeah.
Is there a limitation on the length of the 4K
I don't know. Actually, don't. Never.
timeout? If it had to guess. Like on the video for the camera, it was saying I think it was 3 minutes.
Oh,
Everything
yeah.
we did, everything we videoed and the pictures he took was only like 344 megabytes. It came with that 16 gig micro SD chip.
En nog zo'n golden.
18 holes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it. Yeah, it's a little dog leg right. 100 yards. Man, that's got to be a tough throw. Into the wind?
You don't have to do it in one throw, right?
No, I don't think you could.
This is
No, I'm thinking of scenic and something.
That's not McHenry.
Hmm?
That's not McHenry. I don't think he's right. I think it's scenic.
No, scenic. Mooi de maar aan.
He's saying something about McHenry.
I don't think so.
Those houses over there with the brick roofs.
I got a lot of new little developments along here. But I think Dad made a good point about the insects and the mosquitoes and all that.
Oh yeah, out here.
Especially right here along the river.
Keep your doors closed. Gotta have sunscreen.
I wonder if they'll get them in series over the summer.
I'm sure it's all over.
Because they're not really next to water, but it's
They have
humid.
that big water treatment plant, remember, off of Service?
Oh,
But that's treated and the water's moving, so. Here's another hole. Here's a second hole. Merced County Disc Golf Club.
where do you shoot? Oh, you shoot across? Looks like you shoot across the lake.
No way.
I mean the river, yeah. It's only 80 yards though.
And then, okay, I guess so. Then you just
Cross the bridge.
walk over.
Now, you gotta be good to play here. Definitely not a beginner's course. You
I'd just make up my own tee box.
bring some extra discs.
It seemed like at Target, like a 3-disc set. Be like your heaviest disc is like a driver disc, and then